One, two.
Morning, everybody. It's our last day in Michigan. We've been in Michigan for about 3 weeks now after spending a week in Ohio, and we're going to be heading over to upstate New York next. So we have a couple days of driving ahead of us. This camp spot has been exactly what we were looking for with this trip. It's been very relaxing. We have a lot of space at this site. We're right next to a lake, and there's just been so many animals and birds and snakes and plants to look at, so we've really enjoyed our time here, and I think we can easily say it's been our best campsite yet. There's a snake. Hi, kiddos. We're staying at a campsite that does not have any water hookups. It's electric only. So it does have a dump station, and it has somewhere where we can fill up some of these water jugs. So we are trying to do our dishes with the least amount of water possible and see how much water we actually consume and kind of prepare us in case we want to go on a boondocking trip. So let's see how little water we can do with this. So we used like half a gallon, which I feel like is too much.
Yeah.
So we'll try to get that down next time.
Yeah.
As we were sitting outside enjoying the weather, one of our campsite neighbors came over to tell us about an oriole's nest in the tree right above us. She was an avid bird watcher who had a ton of photos to share with us, a lot of them from that same campsite we were staying at. We ended up spending the rest of our afternoon watching the birds around us and getting some work done outside. This was a wonderful way to spend our last night in Michigan, and these slow, peaceful days are starting to become one of our favorite parts of living in our camper. It's our last night at this camp spot, and we're going to be making some falafel for dinner. We got this mix at a Mediterranean store right outside Grand Rapids when we were there, and it's very easy. You just mix it with water, and then you can fry up the falafel patties. We're going to do some extra because we are leaving Michigan tomorrow, and we're going to be heading over to New York. So we're boondocking for 2 nights on the way, and we want to have some extra protein to get us through that.